car. You are under arrest.
Out of the car.
Someone just talked
right now.
to me
Out of the car. Out of the car.
They're ripping the
out of the car.
Out of the car.
Oh my God.
Get out of the car, ma'am.
Out of the car.
I'm gonna taser.
I have people to
I'm gonna taser.
Get out of the car.
I'm gonna taser. Get back.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
You don't have to break my
Out of the
car.
car.
Get out of the car.
You're right. Out of the car now.
Get out of the car,
Out of the
ma'am.
car now. Out of the car.
Get off me.
Get out of the
Out of
car.
the car.
I had no
Out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get pepper spray. You let's go.
I just wanted to talk.
Guys, I'm gonna taser. I'm gonna taser.
I don't believe you. Yeah!
Get out of the
About
car.
time!
Get out of the car.
It ain't working on Big Bird.
Get out of the car. You're gonna
Double up.
Get out.
Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Foos Nigga. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. Shout out to my people. How my people doing? Okay, it's almost a new year. Okay. Now, one of the family members got a birthday going down on the 1st. Everybody wish CC a happy birthday. We're gonna go live typery for CC. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do that. But in the meantime, between time, we gotta get a video out. Do what we do. You feel me? We about to tap into a video that I got sent about a simple traffic stop turned into sudden disaster. Don't they all? When they haven't turned into disaster, maybe once. 99% chance they are disastrous. Okay, so we're gonna tap into that. Okay. Sorry for the, got to make sure. No food in the mouth while you're doing a reactionary videos. Very precautionary measures I take when I do these videos, okay? I don't want you guys staring at me and something in my mouth. Watch the video. Laugh. Just don't laugh at me. Not yet, unless you catch me on one of these videos, but hopefully it will never happen, okay? Now, with that being said, let's check on our people's meepers, okay? Tap down the comment section, 1 through 10. Let us know where you at, how you doing, what you doing, all of that. The whole spiel, we want it all, okay? Don't spare us anything. Tell us all, okay? Good, bad, ugly. Tap down in the comment section, 1 through 10. Let us know how are you doing with your mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, spiritually, okay? Tap down in the comments. I'm going to run it back for you guys. How are you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually? Tap down in the comment section. Let's get it together. Let's make sure we're good going into the new year. We're leaving everything behind us that was no good for us, even people, jobs, you know what I'm saying, whatever, bad mentals. We going into 2026 on the up and up, type 10, okay? We're going to start here. We're going to try to maintain that, okay? 2026 is our year. I'm claiming that for all of us, okay? It's going down. Very prosperous for us. Just a great mental headspace. And, we're going to go through some things, but we're going to get through it. But for the most part, 2026 is our year, and I'm claiming that for us, okay? We're about to go ahead and tap to the video. Let's make sure that, we continue to have fun, continue to go and grow, and continue to pray for the family members that are going through things on disability, just having hard times. Maybe getting evicted, maybe not, just having a hard time finding somewhere to stay. The weather out here in some of these places are cold, below 5, 30 degrees, 20 degrees. We need to check on our people. With that being said, let's go ahead and tap into the video, though. If it wants to start. It might not want to start.
In September 2024, a sergeant with the St. Croix Tribal Police was on his way to respond to an alarm call in Webster, Wisconsin. While driving, he noticed a vehicle pulled over on the shoulder with its hazard lights flashing. It didn't seem urgent at the time, so he continued on to the call. After clearing the alarm without issue, he headed back the same way and saw that the vehicle was still there, flashers still going. Wanting to make sure everything was okay, he decided to stop and take a closer look. That's when he found a 29-year-old woman in the driver's seat slumped over, setting the stage for a situation that quickly escalated beyond a simple welfare check.
Slumped over type? That ain't good.
Roll your window down. Roll your window down. Hi, is everything okay? Okay, why are you stopped along the road? You got a driver's license on you? You don't have a driver's license? Okay, whoa. Hey, wait.
Whoa. She already proved she on PCP. Who does that?
About 45.
After casually fleeing the traffic stop, she drove a short distance before being pulled over again, where things wouldn't stay calm for long.
Okay, now it looks like we're stopping now. Okay, she stopped.
So calmery, ain't he?
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
422.
What do you mean, what do I mean?
I'm just on the back road. What? What's up?
What's up? You took off on me.
What do you mean?
Officer. Hey, I need the same. Come on. What we doing? Anybody else, they get snatched out, wigs thrown, taser. She drove off of the traffic stop. Automatically arrest her, okay? What are we doing? You don't need to do no explaining to her. What are you doing? I'm on the back roads. Oh, you on the road, baby. Back roads, front roads, heaven's gates. I don't care. Not Kevin Gates. You're on the road. Automatic arrest. What are we doing? I need to see the same type of... For everybody.
Took off.
How much have you had to drink?
I haven't had any to drink. What do you mean? Breathalyze me then.
What kind of drugs are you on?
What kind? I work overnight. I just had tonight off. I'm just trying to have a break. I'm doing a lot of
Why did you take off on me?
I'm not taking off.
Yeah, you did. Do you have any identification at all?
Somewhere, just hold on. Can you relax?
I could smell alcohol on your breath.
Here's my...
No, I want to see a driver's license.
Can you not blind me? How the am I supposed to see?
Attitude better change.
It's my head.
Right now you're on your way to jail. Roll the window down.
What?
You took off on me.
I didn't take off.
Failure
It's
to
you
yield
being
to...
very over-exaggerated.
Really? I've got it all on camera.
Absolutely. That's fine. What am I supposed to say? Blind me more and I can see more?
Give me your driver's license.
Can you back up? You're literally
got
in
the
my
I'm just
Groceries.
about to take you out and put you in handcuffs.
For what? You're blinding me.
Let me see your driver's license.
How can I see if you can't? You literally
Okay,
can't.
step
make me
out of the
see.
car. Step out of the car.
I can't see. Look.
She then decided to call
I
911,
can't see.
screaming at dispatch about the situation.
Misuse to 911. Just call 911, bro.
Get out of the car. Ow. Get out of the car. You're going to be tased.
1 second.
Get out of the car. You're going to be tased.
Hey! Taser! We got action! And that's word to Big Bird. And I mean literally. That's word to Big Bird, okay? We got action!
Get out of the car.
Get that out of my face!
Get out of the car.
Out of my face!
Get out of the car, ma'am. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You are under arrest. Get out of the car. You're under arrest. Get out of the car. You are under arrest. Ma'am, get out of the car. 422, but I need back up. Then get out of the car. Send me back up. Get out of the car, ma'am.
I'm trying to take care of my dad. My dad.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
I'm trying to take care of my dad. My dad.
Get out of the car. You are under arrest.
For what?
Disorderly conduct, and you kicked me.
I'm trying to get you out of my car. Help me. I can't find you.
I'm telling you to get out of the car.
Help me. Why?
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I'm asking why.
You are under arrest. Get off your phone.
Can you talk to me, please? He's
Get
not
off
telling
your
me why.
phone.
He's saying it's disorderly conduct.
And assault.
I leaned in my car and I pushed him with my foot.
Get
I
out
would've
of
been on
the
left
car.
side.
This ain't...
Get out of the car, ma'am. Get out of the car. Get out of
Oh my
the...
God, what the fuck?
Nah, G. She mishandling you. I know it's a Big Bird, but you're supposed to have the oven with you on the tasery to cook the bird, sir. That's why you got the tooleries. What are you doing? This lady's getting away with murder, okay? She done kicked you twice. She done called 911 on you, which you are 911. Make it make sense. You keep yelling directives to her, and she's dismissing you. Get that flashlight in my face, okay? Sir, what are we doing here? What are we doing? Anybody else's head would have been smushing the concretery. I'm gonna show this to your peers, sir. This is what you don't do, okay? She has very much control of the situation. And she's playing the PTSD type, I'm insane, I don't know this person, I don't know. She's playing every role she could play on you. She should be in the movies. Beach whale type, okay? Killer whale. That's better. Killer whale type. And she about to eat you alive. Boy, what?
No reason for this.
I will warn you one more time. Get out of the car. Get out of the car or you get tased.
I'm just trying to relax. My dad's dead now.
Get out of the car.
Please stop.
Get out of the car, ma'am.
Use the taser, sir!
I am the only person on this earth for me.
Car,
Why
ma'am.
is this happening?
You are under arrest. Get out of the car. I told
For
you.
what?
I told you.
Can you just talk to me instead of just paying attention?
Get out of the car. You're under arrest. Talk is too
Stop
late.
talking to me.
The talking is over. Get out of the car.
What?
You are under arrest.
I haven't said anything.
Yes, you have. Get
Can
out
you
of the
talk
car.
to me?
Get out of the car, ma'am.
Just let me breathe.
Get out of the car.
Just let me breathe.
Get out
I'm
of the
just
car.
trying to breathe. I'm not even bad. What is going on?
Get out of the car.
What
I've
am I-
explained to you.
You haven't explained anything to me.
Get out of the car.
You're pointing a taser to me. I'm just
That's
trying
right.
to talk to you. Can you please?
Every time I reach in to try and take you into custody, you
It's
fight me.
because you're reaching into my car.
That's
You said-
right. You're under arrest.
Before, sir, I don't
You
like
are
that.
under arrest.
I have PTSD.
You are under arrest, ma'am.
Can you just relax? Just talk. Stop yelling.
Get out of the car, ma'am.
Just breathe.
Get out of the car.
How am I supposed to
You
know
are
I'm
under
bad?
arrest.
1 second. Can you just
No,
touch me?
no, there is no 1 second.
Yes, there is, because you can't give it the time.
Get out of the car. You are under
Ma'am,
arrest.
out of the
Can
car.
someone just talk
Right
to
now.
me?
Out of the car. Out of the car.
They're ripping the
Out of the car.
Out of the
Oh
car.
my god.
Get
Out
out of the car, ma'am.
Out of the car.
I'm gonna tase her.
I have people to
I'm gonna tase her.
Get out of the car.
I'm gonna tase her. Get back.
Stop
Get
trying
out
to
of the
do
car.
it.
You don't have to break my
Out of the
heart.
car.
Get out of the car.
My glass.
You're right. Out of the car. Now.
Get out of the car,
Out of the
ma'am.
car. Now. Out of the car.
Come on, get off me.
Get out of the
Out
car.
of the car.
I had no
Out of the car. Get out of the car.
You get pepper spray. You let go.
I just wanted to talk.
Guys, I'm gonna tase her. I'm gonna tase her.
I don't believe you. Yeah.
Get out of the
About
car.
time.
Get out of the car.
It ain't working on Big Bird.
Get out of the car. You're gonna get
Double
it
up.
again. Get out of the car. Then do it.
Just talk to me.
Then do it, ma'am.
You gotta do it then.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're gonna get tased again.
Let me breathe. I was just gonna...
Get out of the car, ma'am. Get out of the car.
Why are you doing this to me? You're being such an
Get out of the car.
Ow! You like my thong, you piece of shit. Ow! I'm just a...
Two officers can't get this girl out the
Down
car.
on the ground.
On the ground.
I need people support. I need people support.
You got yours?
Okay. Get the hair on my mouth. Oh!
Okay. Let's get her in my car. Let's go.
I'm an ass. I'm just relaxed. You're being a dick. Can I get my glasses?
Okay. Have a seat in the car, ma'am.
Ow!
Go and slide your feet in.
Slide in.
Can you just tell me why?
I've told you numerous times. Get in the car.
For real, I have
Get
anxiety.
in the car, ma'am.
Why?
Okay.
I just see what I behaving people. I just want to try and chill. I just see what fucking people.
Okay, get in the car.
Put your legs in the car. You're under arrest for resisting. Go on.
Well, she's battery too to a police officer. She kicked me.
Feet in.
Stop me some fucking.
Back in a minute.
Wait, can you take...
Holy sh**. She was sitting along the road. I knocked at the window and I said, okay, I see driver's license. No. And then all of a sudden she took off on me. It's like, okay.
Right.
It looks like a one-hitter right there in plain view.
And it reeks like weed. So.
And it reeks like weed.
She also smelled like she was drunk too.
I could smell odor of intoxicant.
So she must have called 911.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
We were
good.
trying
We
to-
got that on 911 too. Well, I'm going to get her down there and start booking if you guys want to take a look in the car. But I want to get her down there as quick as I can. Thank you. Alrighty.
When do we go back?
Well, right now we're going to jail.
One say when we go.
We're going right now.
Say somewhere my glasses.
I have no idea.
Where are they?
I don't know.
No, I got money to fucking replace these cameras.
How's it going tonight?
Well, it was going okay.
Not so much anymore, huh?
Oh, she's... Oh. Okay, go ahead and step out.
Due to her behavior, jail staff decided it was best to immediately place her in a holding cell.
Okay, go over here, buddy.
My left arm.
Okay.
Just get the hair right off, please.
Stand up for walk for me.
She was a fighter. She was a fighter, wasn't I mean, we couldn't get her out of the car.
She wasn't giving a complaint, pain complaints.
But she was along the shoulder of the road, and I saw her there when I went to go answer the alarm that we had. So then I come back again, and still there.
As a result, the 29-year-old woman was charged with felony, battery threat to an officer, vehicle fleeing eluding an officer, failure to comply, misdemeanor, resisting obstructing an officer, resisting failing to stop, possession of THC, and possession of drug paraphernalia. She was eventually released on a $500 cash bond. 5 months later, she pleaded guilty to resisting failing to stop. All the remaining charges were dismissed, but read in. Ultimately, she was sentenced to pay $500 in fines, fees, and court costs. Want a deeper look into the channel or
when I tell y'all I'm so disappointed in these police officers, you know you get your ass in the gym. Both of y'all, all two of y'all, all three of y'all. Because that's what it would have took to get Big Bird out the car. Like, how does this happen? This is embarrassing, okay? When we say less yapping, more zapping, we truly mean it. We're not saying this for fun. Like, we really mean it. She should have been cooked a long time ago. That's embarrassing. Like, you go back and tell you talk to the officer, oh my gosh, she's a fighter here. Oh my gosh, she had us in a tumbo. And they go back and they go see this video on YouTube and like, you guys were getting worked, okay? Matter of fact, one of the officers gonna be like, sir, less yapping, more zapping. That's what we got the zapperies. That's what that's for. It went on far too long. Anybody else would have been tight, laid out, coughing, done. Yellow tape, okay? I'm not lying. I'm so disappointed. I'm over this video. Tap down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. This went way too far, on for way too long. She drove, and to see all the charges were dropped. All the felony, the charges were dropped. Guess what that means? She gonna do it again. No consequences. It's not gonna stick. She gonna, I get away with this? What? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go listen to the music and, get my bounce on again and smoke the weedery and listen to my roll bounce type. I'm over the video. Tap down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. I'm so disappointed as officers. I'm highly upset. Bird should have been cooked. And that's a word to Big Bird.